Hey guys, glad to stop by old SmokinSteve's today. We're going to be fixing up some fried green tomatoes out on that RecTeq Bullseye on that griddle. Got a new griddle for that Bullseye and I'm loving that thing. Coming up with all kinds of ideas of what to cook on there, and came up with fried green tomatoes. Now we've had these before, but never really fixed them outside or on a griddle or anything like that, but that's what we're going to do today. Now maybe you're growing your own tomatoes and you got some green ones out there. Perfect, that's perfect. They're picky. You can buy them at the market, green tomatoes, so they're not quite ripe yet. Get those rascals fried up, makes for some good eating. It's kind of like a fried mushroom. It resembles that. The texture and the taste a little bit. It's all good. Now you can fix these as like a side dish, or you could fix them on its own and make sandwiches out of them, or just snack on them or whatever, but they're really good. And it's just a little different twist, something different to make, and it's gonna be good. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, here's the star of the show. Yeah, just a green tomato. Not real exciting, but it sure is good. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and get this guy all sliced up into small slices, just like so. Not very thick at all. We're going to get this guy all sliced up. Get some breading on here. Get that griddle nice and hot. And get to frying. So I'm going to go ahead and get this guy all sliced up and get the breading on these and show you what we're going to do. Okay. We got our mix for our breading right in here. We used half a sleeve of saltine crackers, half a cup of cornmeal, and threw in a teaspoon of Dizzy Pig Wonderbird seasoning. So we're going to get this all mixed up and get these tomato slices all breaded up. Okay, let's get this guy mixed up here. By the way, I'll have a link underneath the video in the description for one of these guys right here. It really works great. Let's take a look at this. It's looking pretty good already. Doesn't look too bad. I think we'll go with what we got here. It's looking good, it's smelling good. Alrighty. We got 2 eggs, half a cup of milk. We got our tomatoes soaking in here. You want to get them covered good. Then we're just going to throw them over here in the breading. Like so. Get that on there nice and good. Give her a flip. Do this other side. Push her down. Sprinkle a little more on there if you want. Kind of get a nice little coating on there. We're going to continue that process with all these until we get them all done. Okay, we're outside here, and here's our Bullseye that we're going to be cooking on today. And we've got our griddle inside here. So we're going to get this thing fired up and get it set on about 500 and let it get all heated up. So set point is at 500 right now. So we'll hit temperature display, go over on actual temperature, and let that thing get up to 500. And then we'll check that griddle temperature, see how hot it is. Okay, we just hit 500 degrees here on this grill temperature. Let's go ahead and check the griddle, see how hot it is. We got about 321 over here on the right. 350, 360, 372, 86, 400. So I think that's hot enough to get to frying our tomatoes. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil on there. Got about that much oil. I'm gonna get a spatula and get that spread out evenly. Go ahead and kind of get this spread out. Then we'll go ahead and get our tomato slices on there. Keep an eye on these and make sure they don't get burnt. Give them a flip once they get brown like we want them. So I'm going to finish getting these on here and get this lid closed and then check on them every minute or so. Okay, we got them all in there, so let's get her closed up. Let those guys brown a little bit. Okay guys, these have been on here a few minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. I'll say that's ready to flip. Let's go ahead and give these guys a flip. Get nice and brown on this side, and they'll be done. Okay guys, these are looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and pull these off. Let them soak on this paper towel here, get some of that grease off. We'll be taking these inside, we'll be doing a taste test. That's my favorite part. Okay, got these green fried tomatoes in here. Looking good, smelling good. Got one on a plate. I'm gonna get me a little bite here. Here she is. A little bit of breading on there. We're going in. That is so good. The texture of that, the juiciness, it's just good stuff, guys. Give these fried green tomatoes a try out on the griddle. You're gonna love them. So guys, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share the video, and all that other good stuff. And I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.